Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be reviewing the Clover Pom Pom maker. This is the large one. It comes with a 2.5 inch and a 3 by 3/8 inch pom pom maker. That's the diameter of these. So I'm going to be reviewing these with you. I'm also going to be showing you how to use these. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, join my YouTube family, hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. We're on our way to 300 subscribers, so let's get there. I promise that I have lots of good videos coming your way. Promise, in 2020 they will be coming. Just have patience with me. Let me read you what it says. It says, beautiful pom-poms made easy. It has the instructions in the back of how to use it. I watched some YouTube videos. I mean, it is fairly, I guess the instructions are fairly self-explanatory, except from jumping from the first step to the second step. But so yeah, I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna show you how they look. I was using a DIY pom-pom maker that I had, and it made good pom-poms, but it was taking forever. And once I decided to buy these, and these made the process so much faster. I used these to make a pom-pom rug, which you will see the video on really soon. And these make them so much fuller than when you do it by hand. So let me show you. So the small one looks like this, and it opens up like this on one side, and then it opens up just like that on the other side. I will show you how to use them, I promise. The second one is a bit bigger than this one. The second one is this big. So that's in comparison to my hand. It's like pretty much almost the size of my hand, and it opens up the exact same way. So let me show you how to use these, and then I'll kind of tell you my thoughts. So you're going to take the yarn. You're going to hold it with your finger. And then you're going to just start wrapping. And as you're wrapping, you want to make sure that you are moving it closer together so that you can make it as full as it can be. So just keep wrapping. So now I'm just going to go back and do another layer. It's up to you. You can leave it like that, but I like my pom-poms to be full, so I'm just going to go in and I'm going to add another layer. I'm going to add 2 more layers actually. And once you get it to however full you want it to be, you're going to take the string right here, end it right here. You're going to take it between these two, and then you're going to close it, and you're going to bring it over, and now you're going to open the other side, and now you're going to start wrapping it. And you're going to do the exact same thing you did on the other side. So now I'm going to do the same thing, bring the string through the middle right there, and then we're actually going to cut the string. I'm going to cut it like that. Now you're going to take your pair of scissors and you're going to go in the middle. Make sure you hold it down because it will start to open a bit, and just start cutting. And try to cut as straight down the middle as you can. And now you're gonna go to the other side. You're gonna do the exact same thing. And you can look through and make sure that you have cut all the pieces of string. Now you're gonna take a piece of yarn and you're gonna cut it, and then you're gonna take it through the middle and make sure you kind of like wiggle it so that it actually goes to the center of the pom-pom, and make sure it's even. And then you're gonna tighten. You're gonna make a knot, and you're gonna tighten it as much as you can. As much as you can. And then you're gonna take it again, and then you're gonna bring it through the other side, and you're gonna tie again as tight as you can so that you're getting into that center of the pom-pom. And now you're gonna make a knot. Okay, so now that knot is secure, if you want you can do a double knot to make it even more secure. Okay, so now we're gonna open this side and we're gonna open the other side, and you're actually gonna just pull it apart, kind of wiggle it a bit to get it apart. And then you have yourself a cute little pom-pom. You're gonna take your scissors and just trim whatever parts need to be trimmed that are longer than the rest of them, but you have yourself a cute full pom-pom. And you see it's super full, which I love. So now to put it back together, you just go like this, just stick it back together, and then you just close it back up, and you can use it over and over again. So now we're gonna go in with the big one, and I'm gonna do the exact same steps, and I'm gonna show you how much bigger this one is in comparison to the other one. So we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna hold the yarn, wrap it around, and just wrap it all the way around. So now, again, we're gonna bring the string through the middle. We're gonna close it. I'm gonna bring it around to the other way. Now we're gonna wrap it around again. Okay, so we're gonna bring it through again, and then we're gonna cut that yarn. And do the exact same steps, cut through the middle. Make sure that everything is cut, including this line right here. Cut a piece of yarn, bring it through the middle, wiggle it to get it into the center. Tighten it, come around, tighten the other side. As tight as you can get it. Tie a knot. Tie another knot just to secure it. And now we're gonna lift these up. Then we're gonna lift the other side up. And then we're gonna wiggle it to make it come apart. And again, make sure that you're always trimming the parts that are longer. And just fluff it out. And there you have yourself a full pom-pom. So now these are the two pom-poms in comparison to each other. This one's quite a bit larger than this one. They're both full and beautiful. So then make sure you put it back together so that you can use it again. So I really like these. They're super simple. See, I love how full these look. When you try to make them by hand, they really don't come out this full and fluffy. But make sure you're tightening it as much as you can, or it would just easily come out. So they're full, they're beautiful. But here they are again in comparison to the size. This is the smaller one and this is the big one. I love them. They're so simple and easy to use. I love that you can easily take them apart to take out your pom-pom and easily put them back together to use again. I don't know, it probably takes 5 minutes or so to do one pom-pom. It just depends how quick you are. Maybe it's less than 5 minutes. I don't know, I haven't timed it. But they're super quick, super easy to make. No complaints when it comes to these. So I got these at Michael's. They were $7.99. I had a coupon, so they turned out to be $5. But they're worth it. On Amazon I think they're more expensive than that, so I would say check out Michael's. They're awesome, they're great. They will make your pom-pom crafts go by so much faster than if you were doing a pom-pom maker by hand. So go out and get these. They're inexpensive. You can reuse them as many times as you want. Super easy to use for beginners, for anyone. Super easy. Please let me know down below in the comments if you end up getting it and how you like it, because I love these. Let me know what crafts you decide to do with your pom-pom makers. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not already, don't forget to press that red subscribe button. Join my YouTube family. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps my videos out so much. Hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I upload. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.